Hey guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make Siri say whatever you want when you connect your charger. So, as you already know, there are automations in Siri. That means you are able to automate Siri's task anywhere you want. Siri can do whatever you want. It can do small tasks like replying to your messages, and even bigger tasks like custom made sounds and playing the songs that you want. One of the most prominent features that is going in trends today is making Siri say whatever you want when you connect your iPhone charger. This can be achieved by using the Siri Automations tab or the Siri Shortcuts app. So in this video, let's check out how it can happen. So for that, let's go to the Siri Shortcuts app. In the Siri Shortcuts app, go to the Automations tab. In the Automations tab, create personal automation. Go down to the Charger tab. In the Charger tab, hit Next. When you hit Next, you will see an Add Action option. Click on it and make sure that your actions are set to Speak. You will see a speak text will appear. Click on it. Now you are able to enter any text that you want Siri to say. For example, if I want Siri to say that charger is connected. I want Siri to say charger is connected every time I connect the charger to the iPhone. I can make more settings like asking variables, if and if shortcut, stop this shortcut, and text shortcut. These are all smaller options that I can choose from, but as I don't need it right now, I will go hit Next. I can see when the iPhone is connected to power, do speak text. This will make Siri say the text that I want it to. Disable the ask before running tab. This will make Siri not ask me whenever the automation is run. So now all I need to do is save this automation. You can see my automation is there in the personal tab. So let's go ahead and connect my phone to the charger. See, now I'm going to connect my charger. Let's see what it says.
Charger is connected.
And there you go, guys. I hope you like this video. For more amazing content, subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm